Here I will introduce the new version of Slam Go Post Pro, a reconstruction release of our post-processing software. When we enter the software, the first noticeable difference is the updated color scheme and layered layout compared to the old version. Let's look at some basic features first. Here you can create a new project and import data. The software will automatically detect the device platform. For example, if I import data from the Slam 200, the software will recognize the device type as Slam 200. You can then select work modes such as handheld, backpack, static, vehicle, UAV mounts, and other customizations. After that, you can set the project name, creation time, and project save path. Once a project is created, you will see an empty list. Here I have already processed a project, but you can also open existing projects in the same way. Project files use the .sprj format. The interface also allows you to close all projects, save, and save as functions. From left to right, the one-click workflow remains similar to the previous version. Settings include quick and high-precision modes as before. In this version, the language options remain unchanged, though future updates may include improved A and B mode selections and fixes for certain language issues. Next is Scan Scene Selection, which supports general subway and tunnel scenes. It provides real-time display, start and end points, dynamic object filtering, and other adjustable settings. Under collection stability, the quick mode default setting is 1, with adjustable calculation time. You can also configure a surrounding box, internal filtering, minimum and maximum distance measurements, and algorithm ranges. For Slam 200, the valid measurement range is 0 to 300 meters. In UAV mounted mode, maximum distances may be required, while handheld operation typically uses 100 to 200 meters. For vehicle-mounted applications, LiDAR may capture parts of the car. To reduce noise, you can define X, Y, and Z bounding boxes for filtering. After completing settings, click Confirm Orientation. If orientations are not imported, settings will remain blank. Moving on to point cloud optimization, there are two methods: normal optimization and dense optimization. Dense optimization retains 90 to 100% of the raw point cloud, while normal optimization keeps about 30 to 40%. Additional features include panoramic image generation and point cloud coloring. In this alpha version, 3 coloring algorithms are available: general, high definition, and HD. Export options include colored point clouds, uncolored point clouds, and assembled outputs. After processing, you will get a point cloud list with colorized and raw data options. Quick tools allow zoom in, out, pan, center zoom, and rotation. There are also elevation, density, coloring, X3 functions, EDL, HQS, peak point detection, and distance and angle measurement tools. The interface provides XYZ detection between points, project details, name, time, device, and DCP marks. Like the previous version, you can switch between 2D and 3D views, restore lost windows, and hide or show layers with the eye icon. The software supports exporting in multiple formats. Point cloud information, odometry, window docking, and adding, removing new point clouds are also included. File management includes importing, removing, creating, opening, saving, and exporting projects. Recently opened projects can be accessed quickly. The one-click solution now integrates batch solving, map creation, orientation, optimization, density adjustment, differentiation, coloring, panoramic image generation, and dynamic object filtering. Independent functions include 3D portrayal, 3D location training, and cancellation of ongoing processes. Additional tools include PPK file conversion, PPK solving with basin rover data, accuracy reporting, data framing, registration, cutting, DOM creation, and stitching. Range selection is planned for future updates. Volume calculations are also supported, allowing users to define ranges and methods, e.g., tin, grid. Units default to kilograms. Roof removal is available for indoor scenes, followed by point cloud calculations. Noise can be removed using denoise functions or manual editing. Reporting features include elevation, intensity, texture, X-ray, EDL, and HQ display. Automatic video roaming and panoramic viewing are also supported. Multiple point clouds can be compared in split windows for mapping analysis. As in the previous version, there are options for GNSS-free or GCP-free optimization, demonstration image creation, coloring results, panoramic image generation, remote object filtering, roaming, PPK solutions, and log Dart report generation. These are the main new features of the updated SLAMGOPOST Pro. We will continue to update the software, add new functions, and fix issues. If you have suggestions or encounter bugs, please let us know. Thank you.